Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It happened. It's happening. It happened. It's here. Cybl stock. That is right. You're looking at this correctly. This is real life. You're not in a dream. We are Pink Limited. We are no longer we are no longer CE. We have the verified profile badge. We have the transfer agent verified and Fat Pink Limited information badge as well. So we finally got out of that. Hey, it happened. It took over a year, but it wasn't a month. I remember people saying, "Oh, it's going to be a month." Just to watch. My stock is so special that in 1 month we're going to get out of CE. This is yeah, right. Oh man, I told you. What did I tell you guys? Did you guys see that? By the way, let me show you the chart again. Did you guys see that? Look at that. 0099. That's where it got pushed down. That's where sellers stepped in. You know why sellers stepped in at 0099? Because a lot of people bought at 1 penny. A lot of people bought at 1 penny on the dot or close enough to it. Let me see if oh man, this Cybl doesn't go all the way back in time. At least not on Mumu NX. But anyways, yeah. Is anyone surprised? Of course, people who you give bag holders an opportunity to dump, they're gonna dump it. So nobody should be surprised by this. Nobody should be surprised by that dump. Looks like it gapped up huge too. So what? It opened here and just got bought up. Interesting. But yeah, no, bag holders, of course, they were just gonna dump it straight. Yeah, I know there's some people smiling ear to ear right now, like, oh my God, finally I got out of this. Because there were people with like 70K or 100K or more, some insane people. I never put that much. That's crazy. I would not be sleeping well if I put my entire net worth into that, into this 1 penny stock. But yeah, there's definitely some people smiling ear to ear now. But we have to, yeah, if we're gonna go to 1 penny and beyond, we need to get. There's gonna be just so much selling at uh at 1 penny. No one should be surprised by that. Bag holders are like, oh my God, I am getting out. Good luck to the people that wanna hold that one. Adding more selling. I'm not buying. Period. Where's the option of I'm not even touching it? Cybl removing CE. PR Blitz. I'm just looking at Twitter to see what people are excited about. Yeah, they're out of CE. This is the CE removed. It's going to run hard this week. We'll see about that. We'll see. When people start saying that, oh, it's gonna run hard. It's gonna run hard. When people start saying that, it makes me skeptical because sometimes that's not always the case. How much volume are we getting? 67? Is that what I'm seeing? 61. Okay, and it's barely 9:43 a.m. I'm not jumping in on it. I woke up late, so yeah, I woke up an hour late, so I'm not chasing this. That would just be foolish. Yeah, no, I'm not. It's not because I told you guys a long time ago. I'm like, if in the morning you see that it got the CE removed, you want to jump in at market open. So at market open, you would have jumped in at like 007s or six, and you'd be up and you'd be sitting pretty on it. But in this case, why would I chase? I woke up late. Oh well. Oh well. Plenty of opportunities out there, anyways. Watch for the 1 penny break. Other than that, I'm just gonna sit back and wait for a bottom on this. Remember, this thing bottomed out here way back couple of years ago. It bottomed out at 1 penny. So you better believe that I can. If you've been following the channel long enough, you better believe I can wait for a bottom on this. This thing's just not gonna go to dollars. I know people are getting way too excited. But this is it. This is the big run. Even though, yeah, sure. Hold your horses, people. Hold your horses, people. This could finally heat up the OTC again. Yeah, that's what they always say. It's not gonna heat up the OTC. They don't want to hold no bag. People just dump it. Yeah, look at this. We'll trade over 300 million shares today. More news will be released throughout the coming weeks. If you sell now, you will miss out on the good stuff. Yeah, no, thank you. I'm gonna go buy Gme at 20. It just pumped to $23, and I took profit. I just bought like $50,000 worth of Riot stock and I'm up on it already. Like I'm not. I remember when I used to be a beginner, I would look at this comment and be like, "Oh my god, I'm gonna miss out. Let me go buy right now. I'm gonna go buy right now. I'm gonna go chase this right here." That was me 3 years ago. I would have looked at that comment and been like, "Yes, this guy, he's right. It's gonna go to dollars. We're gonna be rich." Yeah, that's not how it works. Cybl back in the game. Yeah, that's kind of funny. I didn't think about this. I was banned from the Islands Discord because I said Islands is going to end up trading lower than Cybl. Hey, that's kind of sad. Cybl stock, despite being in CE, despite having the CE designation, it is now, as of right now, it is at a higher share price than ILUS. Literally, at a higher share price than ILUS and AITX combined. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So yeah, 003 plus 0033 equals yeah 0063. That said, it came out right out of CE and it immediately higher share price than these two. It has the better share structure as well, I think, than those two. Maybe not. I'd have to double check, but for sure, better share structure than AITX. Now we know that they do drop news every now and then, so this thing can still run. But I'm gonna wait for the bottom. Where's the bottom on this? Give me the bottom, and I'm there. Let me see. Let me continue reading some Twitter comments here. Okay. And I don't care about none of this. 52 million in revenue. They have been growing their revenue for sure. 33 million gross profit, 31 million net income. It's the government contracts that are big. Those are what moves stock. Just look at Palantir stock. Just look at Palantir and how that performs. I dumped straight into the bid. Look at this. This is ridiculous. Look, this is how you know that it's not time to buy. So important that you don't stack the ask or sell into the bid. You are allowed to sell as much as you want, but don't kill the momentum for yourself and others. Band together and sell. No, I'm here for me, you bastard. Like, this is ridiculous. Please let this go up. I'm so desperate to make money. Please let it go up. Please don't dump straight into the bid. Sheesh. I'm surprised it hasn't hit 3 to 4 cents by now. I'm assuming a lot of people can't buy yet. Maybe some brokers haven't updated their site. I think someone did mention that in my Discord. Big Cybl news. I believe the stat news site is just pink limited up 335%. That's folks still can't buy on their brokerages. I'm still bag holding 1.5 million shares, but I'm only down 48%. Yeah, a lot of people, a lot of people held a bag when that thing went to CE. I forgot about that. So many people holding a fat bag when that thing got the CE designation. Well, hopefully it comes up. It better come back up more because, oh, I got to sneeze. All right, thank you. But no, yeah, no, 3 to 4 cents. That's ridiculous. There's a lot of people that can't buy yet. I wonder if I can. No, no, never mind. I'm not gonna chase it. Hopefully, don't. Hopefully, bag holders don't make the exact same mistake and hold too long. No, bag holders are gonna. They're just gonna dump it. They're gonna dump it. There's people. I mean, I just showed you a guy who's holding a bag down still 50% almost. You don't believe he'll dump? He'll probably dump it. I would dump it. Like I'm just no thank you. I'm gonna go trade these Bitcoin miners because they just keep running. Easy money. Yeah, the Department of Defense contractor, that is a huge deal. That can once this thing bottoms out and we start getting PRs like that, we're gonna move and we're gonna make money taking advantage of bottoms. Yeah, a lot of big I'm noticing a lot as I'm scrolling here through X, Twitter, whatever. A lot of big accounts, a lot of big Twitter accounts are talking about Cybl right now. If this thing could run back a couple cents and lock some, oh boy. Yeah, it's gonna run up. If it run, it's gonna be very very difficult for it to run. It's gonna be very difficult for that one to run. Cybl with CE removed. I'm expecting a lineup of PRs. Yeah, I don't have expectations. This company hasn't communicated. It only communicates around earnings, so I don't have many expectations. I don't know why people always have. Hey, I expect this, that. No, I no expectations. Give it to me at the bottom where I don't want it. Yeah, look, a lot of big accounts talking about this. Doesn't this guy have like 32K followers? Yeah. Well, if you want to chase, go for it. That's my opinion. If you want to chase, go for it. I'm not. I'm not chasing. If I chased, I would. That means I haven't learned a thing these past 3 years that the stock has been in CE. It means I learned nothing. That's what that means. Discipline and patience, guys. Okay, I mean, there's not much to say. I don't think too many people calling for a moonshot. This is the moonshot. There's going to be bag holders at 1 penny plus, so that those are going to be the ones that are going to be difficult to overcome. I would be shocked if this thing runs like to 6.5 cents, like last time. If it just starts running to pennies, I would be floored. Because we're not in 2021 anymore. It's 2024. Penny stocks rarely behave like this, unless you're buying like bottom of the barrel scraping triple zeros. Like if you're scraping the triple zero stocks, maybe you'll get some ridiculous, 1,000, 10,000x. But usually you don't see that kind of action anymore nowadays with something like Cybl. So we'll see how it closes. I just wanted to give you my opinion. Again, my game plan very simple. You know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna buy big bottoms. If you like big bottoms too, I'll see you guys in the next one.